If you aren't able to join us here in Anaheim at MD&M West 2026, we're going to bring a bit of the show to you with the virtual tour of the Aptyx booth. At Aptyx, we have a deep and broad set of capabilities that we'll explore as we walk through the booth. But what makes Aptyx is our team and our make it happen mindset. There is no challenge too tough. So let's go take a look. So our support for interventional systems is a perfect example of where we thrive on complexity, from transcatheter implants to their delivery systems and other complex catheters. And one specialty within transcatheter implants is covered stents and frames and a full range of biomaterials, in particular ePTFE. Unbelievably powerful material. Got its start actually during the Manhattan Project. But as powerful as it is also very challenging to work with. It takes specialized know-how, and that's what our team brings with decades of experience. And so what can ePTFE offer? Well, one of the greatest benefits of ePTFE is that it's extremely low profile. To give an example, we were able to take a delivery system from 9 French down to 7 French. So you can imagine what that does as far as ease of deployment, but also the impact on the patient. And then delivery systems, where you see a range here, balloons, sensors, that's another area where we specialize. And what's unique about Aptyx is that we work with both the implant and the delivery system together with a full systems approach. And that helps get the best performance and at speed. And when we think about delivery systems, one of the elements that are core are extrusions. And we work on extrusion from the core to the precision extrusion. So with core mandrel happens to be one of our specialties, manufacturing aid for catheters. And we have market-leading performance with flawless release, unmatched tensile strength, and ultra-tight tolerances. What that means is you can build better catheters faster with even higher yields. So let's take a look at what we also do in precision extrusion. We've recently expanded our precision extrusion capabilities with a center of excellence in the Boston MedTech corridor. And like everything else at Aptyx, complexity is where we thrive. As we say, if it looks too complex, it belongs here. And that's from any type of multi-lumen, bump tubing, co-extrusion, across a range of materials and secondary processes. Part of what sets the team apart will be the ultra-tight tolerances, wall thicknesses from a thou. What does that deliver? Precision that then brings performance inside the body, so we can drive better outcomes and support our medtech partners. So let's look at what else we do. So staying on the theme of extrusion, we also are a global leader in specialty extrusion, corrugated tubing for surgical smoke evac, sleep and respiratory, again with features that deliver enhanced performance, whether it's superior thermal performance to variable pitch that improves the user experience. So really anything you need in extrusion, Aptyx has it covered. But that's not all. We also are a leader in molding, injection molding, dip molding, and blow molding. So here you see dip molding as well as blow molding. We've been a pioneer and leader in dip molding for more than 60 years. And with injection molding, again, complexity is where we thrive, from highly engineered and filled materials to items such as gears. Gears are so complex that other molders come to us for their gears. And what do gears do? They drive precision motion in advanced applications such as robotic surgery, drug delivery wearables, all high growth applications that are powering medtech forward, and they can't do it without precision gears and drivetrains. So whatever your project, Aptyx can support you in bringing complex and challenging programs to life with speed. So come talk to us, and thanks for watching our virtual tour.